The massive red 6x6 motorhome stands is a symbol of extreme luxury blended with unstoppable power, built for travelers who refuse to compromise on space, comfort, or presence. Its bold glossy red body instantly commands attention the moment it rolls into view, reflecting the showroom's lights like a polished gemstone carved into the shape of a heavy-duty expedition home. Every curve and corner of the truck looks purpose-built, yet refined in a way that only a premium motorhome can deliver. The front of the vehicle projects sheer dominance with its enormous grille, thick chrome accents, and a raised stance that makes it tower above normal RVs. The LED headlights give off a sharp and futuristic glow, cutting through the polished showroom atmosphere as if the vehicle is already ready to conquer the next continent. Even when parked, the motorhome looks alive, like a machine built to challenge both highways and wild landscapes. Along the side, the elongated body stretches out like a rolling mansion. The deep red finish continues flawlessly across the doors, storage compartments, and cabin panels, giving the vehicle a sleek and uninterrupted profile. Large tinted windows run along the length of the motorhome, giving the passengers a wide panoramic view while still maintaining privacy and class. The heavy aluminum steps beneath the door promise durability and ease of entry for long trips. The multiple axles beneath the body reveal this isn't a normal RV, it's a six-wheel powerhouse engineered for demanding travel conditions. The chunky off-road tires sit ready for mud, dirt, snow, and long-distance asphalt. Every wheel is fitted with a reinforced hub and shock system that makes the ride smoother than it appears at first glance, especially for such a colossal machine. Inside, the motorhome promises unmatched comfort with a spacious interior layout. Although the picture doesn't reveal the inside, the exterior alone hints that the cabin must hold luxury living quarters, king-sized beds, full kitchens, and high-end entertainment systems. Everything about this vehicle suggests it was designed for long-term living, not just weekend road trips. Standing inside the bright, modern showroom, the motorhome's red color looks even more vibrant due to the perfectly balanced ceiling lights. Wide reflective panels on the floor create a mirror effect, making the vehicle appear twice as large and even more imposing. This environment highlights the craftsmanship and engineering excellence poured into every inch of the motorhome. The tall roofline and aerodynamic upper cabin show that the designers paid attention not only to aesthetics but also to wind flow and performance. The vehicle may be massive, but the smooth curves at the top add a surprisingly sleek element to the overall design, allowing it to glide through air more efficiently than a boxy RV. The front entry door is positioned conveniently with a solid grip handle, indicating accessibility for families, travelers, and adventure seekers. Each detail has been crafted to make long journeys not only comfortable but also effortless. The storage sections are wide and strategically placed to carry tools, gear, food supplies, and camping essentials for extended trips. Every metallic detail shines under the showroom lights, from the chrome mirrors to the polished wheel rims. These details amplify the premium feel of the motorhome, proving that even though it's built like a heavy-duty monster, it maintains the elegance of a luxury vehicle meant for elite-class travel. The enormous windshield stretches widely across the front, giving the driver a cinematic view of the road. It promises clear visibility during off-road adventures and long highway stretches alike. The window tint softens sunlight, reducing eye strain during daytime driving and offering cooler interior conditions. Above the windshield, the aerodynamic roof extensions add character while housing possible ventilation systems or rooftop accessories. This subtle design choice bridges the gap between rugged motorhome identity and modern styling aesthetics typically found in luxury travel coaches. The cabin height suggests there is ample space for overhead shelves, air conditioning units, and advanced lighting systems inside. For passengers, the interior height allows them to walk comfortably without bending or feeling confined, turning every journey into a home-like experience. The front bumper is engineered to handle impacts and rough terrain. Thick metal components and an elevated clearance reveal that the motorhome can confidently travel through uneven landscapes. Even though it looks like a luxury residence on wheels, it functions like a truck ready for harsh environments. Standing close to the motorhome, one can sense the balance between power and refinement. The polished body, expensive materials, and bold grille create a harmony that appeals to adventure lovers who also appreciate five-star comfort. It's rare for a vehicle to simultaneously look beautiful and intimidating, yet this motorhome accomplishes both. The side mirrors extend outward with a chrome finish, giving the driver a wide field of view, important for navigating such a large structure. Their design suggests that safety and visibility have been prioritized to ensure smooth handling despite the motorhome's massive footprint. In the showroom, the Red Giant becomes more than just a vehicle, it stands as a statement piece. It looks like something designed for celebrities, world travelers, or wealthy explorers planning long road journeys across countries and continents. It symbolizes freedom and strength in one package. Each panel of the motorhome's body sits perfectly aligned, showing precision engineering. High-quality construction ensures that the vehicle remains stable even in harsh weather conditions. The durability of the frame suggests that it can handle thousands of kilometers without compromising comfort. The powerful engine hidden inside the front section likely produces huge torque and horsepower, enabling the motorhome to pull its heavy structure effortlessly. Combined with the 6x6 drivetrain, it offers stability on steep hills, muddy trails, and remote routes where normal RVs cannot venture. The red 6x6 motorhome is more than transport, it's a luxury home built on the bones of a heavy-duty truck. Whether on the highway or deep in the wilderness, it promises reliability, safety, and unmatched comfort. For travelers who want the world without limits, this motorhome becomes the ultimate